Hi, my name is Shannon and I'm with my tita Sheila.
Thanks, Sanon. Today, we're going to learn about everyday greetings and courtesies in Bisaya. But before we begin, let us review some words. Good, maayo.
Maayo,
Morning, buntag.
buntag,
Afternoon, hapon.
hapon,
Evening, gabii.
gabii,
Bring, dala.
dala,
Food, pagkaon.
pagkaon.
Now, let's begin. Good morning, maayong buntag.
Maayong buntag,
Good afternoon, maayong hapon.
maayong hapon,
Good evening, maayong gabii.
maayong gabii.
How are you? Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
You can also say, kamusta?
Kamusta?
Please, palihog.
Palihog.
Thank you. Salamat.
Salamat.
Thank you very much. Daghang salamat.
Daghang salamat.
You're welcome. Way sa pa yan.
Wasa pa yan.
Take care. Amping.
Amping.
Now, let's practice. First in English. Good morning, Senon.
Good morning, tita.
How are you?
Good.
Please bring the food. Thank you.
You're welcome.
In Bisaya, we say, Maayong buntag, Senon.
Maayong buntag, tita.
Kamusta?
Maayo.
Palihog dala sa pagkaon. Salamat.
Wasa pa yan. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.